Dear friends, while we go for concurrent audit of bank branches, we have a lot of doubt about how to do concurrent audit and how to discharge our duty as a chartered accountant in a proper way. So I have decided to speak about what is concurrent audit, main object of concurrent audit, main banking products and services, working papers and documents to be maintained by a concurrent auditor, concurrent audit program, what are the points to be checked in each operating areas of bank, IRS norms, what are the symptoms of stress, etc. in 3 videos. What is concurrent audit of bank? Concurrent audit is the examination of the financial transaction in the bank at the time of happening or parallel with the transaction. It is a systematic and timely examination of financial transaction on a regular basis to ensure accuracy, authenticity, compliance with the procedures and guidelines. It evaluates whether the internal control mechanisms are effectively working and is regarded as part of bank's early warning system to ensure timely detection of frauds and fraudulent transactions, irregularities and lapses. Main objectives of concurrent audits. Some of the important objectives of concurrent audit of banks are to ensure adequate measures are being taken in advance to prevent the loan account become NPA, prevent fraudulent transaction and material misstatement, etc. To ensure whether bank comply with the income recognition and assets classification norms fixed by RBI, to find out any income leakage in the branch, to ensure compliance of other laid down systems and procedures issued from head office or RBI, to monitor and report overall performance of the branch, to scrutinize the loan processing, loan documents, loan master in CBS, etc. To check whether comply with the pre-release and post-release terms and conditions are complied. To do physical verification of stocks and other assets given as primary or collateral securities. Main banking products and services are acceptance of deposits, granting of advances, remittances, collections, issuance of letter of credit and guarantees, merchant banking businesses, credit cards, technologically based services, dividend, interest, refund warrant extra, safekeeping services, lockers, handling government business, automatic teller machines, debit cards, etc. Deposits. Deposits are broadly classified into saving deposits, current deposits, fixed deposits, recurring deposits, saving cum fixed deposits, non-resident external account, etc. Advances. The advance made by the banks are normally classified as 1. Funded loans, which consists of term loans, cash credit, overdraft, demand loans. 2. Non-funded loans, which consists of letter of credit, bank guarantee, bill discounting. Working papers and documentation. The concurrent auditor should keep all the working papers and documents which are used in conducting the audit and finalizing the reports in a permanent and current files. What is permanent audit file contain? The following papers can be kept in permanent audit files: appointment letter, communication with the previous auditor, letter of engagement, undertaking by the firm to the bank, audit checklist, information regarding branch business, risk rating, status of the branch, monthly, quarterly, annual reports of the performance of the branch. Current audit file. All other paper relevant to the concurrent audit should be included in the current audit file. For instances, branch audit program, branch various reports based on which audit reports are prepared, periodic correspondence with the concerned departmental officer, regularities intimated to the controlling officer, discussion on the audit report, particulars of big borrowers, depositor, extra, circular received from head office of the auditor bank, copy of monthly audit report. Concurrent audit program. Concurrent auditor should prepare a concurrent audit program listing the procedures essential for meeting the objectives of the concurrent audit. The concurrent audit program identifies the appropriate details, the objectives of the concurrent audit in respect of each area, the procedures to be performed to achieve those objectives, the staff responsible for carrying out the particular activity, the time allocation to each activity, and also sufficiently detailed instruction to the staff as to how to carry out those procedures. The concurrent audit program may also have portions for information such as the procedures actually performed, reason for not performing originally identified procedures, actual time consumed in carrying out the relevant procedure, reason for deviation from the budgeted time, etc. A well-prepared comprehensive audit program helps for proper execution of the work as well as of the proper supervision, direction and control of the performance of the engagement team. Audit planning and documentation. The concerned auditor should document matters which are important in providing evidence that the concurrent audit was carried out in accordance with the basic principles of an audit and as per terms of reference. The concurrent auditor should record the audit plan as per the checklist and the format of the audit report given by the respective bank circulars, terms of engagement, scope of the work, etc. Main areas to be checked while doing concurrent audit of bank. 1. Savings accounts opening form. Points to be checked. Check whether application duly filled or not, whether application signed by the manager or officer, whether photocopies are verified with originals by the manager or officer, whether address in application is same as address proof submitted, whether account number, customer ID and account opening date is entered in application or not, check PAN or form 16 have been taken or not, check in CBS whether account number, PAN or form 16 is entered or not, whether signature and photo is scanned in CBS. 2. Current account opening form. Points to be checked. If current account opened in the name of the individual, procedure is same as that of opening savings bank account, but PAN must be taken here. 2. If current account is opened in the name of business or firm or any other body by individual, the procedure is same as opening SB account, but there is PAN of individual and proof of business or firm should be taken. Example PAN, GST certificate, firm registration certificate, etc. Check also whether address proof for the all partners are taken. 3. Deposits. Points to be checked. Check whether the application is duly filled, whether customer ID, account number, date of deposit is provided in the application, whether interest rate, amount of deposit shown in the CBS is same as that of application form, whether interest rate is as per bank circular, if the customer is new, then KYC should be in record. If the customer is already done KYC with the bank, there is no need to take KYC again. 4. Loans. General points and documents to be considered during review of advances are terms and conditions as per sanction letter, compliance of RBI norms and bank policy, track record of customer, credit rating, authorization level, authorization limit, parameters of interest and penalties, review of advance on a regular intervals, value of securities, creation of charges on securities in case of company, drawing power, terms for consortium advances, stock audit of physical verification, credit summation against interest debited, valuation of security. We will discuss the point to be considered while checking different categories of loans and points related to checking of other operating areas of the bank in the next video. That is Concurrent Audit Part 2. Link for the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Have a nice day.